Many people love to work with Excel when it comes to analyses and reports in their daily work. But most people spend too much time and effort on getting the required data into their spreadsheets. Very often you need to copy and paste the data, use cumbersome and user-unfriendly tools, or replicate the data first to be able to access it. Virtual Data Platform gives you the power to connect your analyses and reports directly to your data. Our add-in enables you to set, link, and change every parameter that specifies the data you need directly in your spreadsheet. All parameters are fully passed through to the source, which is accessed live and provides the latest data fully virtual. Your parameters change very frequently? Not a problem. Our simple and intuitive function syntax can be linked within your spreadsheet, just as you are used to in Excel. Use our user-friendly wizard to make parameter handling as easy as possible, no matter how complex they are. Just insert, change, apply, and obtain the latest data based on your selection. If you need to combine data from multiple data sources or just add some additional logic, create a virtual data model in our modeler and use it in Excel or in any other client tool. Once created, the model can be selected in the wizard, including all specified parameters. This enables you to standardize your analyses and reports and even share it with colleagues, using our simple and intuitive function syntax. You will always have full control over your data and will never run out of time again to analyze it. Virtual Data Platform connects you to all kinds of data sources, no matter which system or technology. Spend your time on creating outstanding results instead of wasting it on getting the data you need. Become a user of Virtual Data Platform and start making the best out of your working time. Sign up today on virtualdataplatform.com.